In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best yoga mats, so you don't have to spend hours trying to figure out which one is the best for you. They are available in different sizes and colors, giving you options to match your needs. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. Yoga has become a popular form of exercise across the world. There's no doubt that it offers ways to improve flexibility and well-being. But before you can start practicing yoga, you need the most important equipment, which is a yoga mat. Basically, it provides a firm surface to work on and also helps to keep your body in balance. So, here are the top 5 best yoga mats. Number 5. Gaiam Yoga Mat. Gaiam Yoga Mat is a perfect addition for your yoga practice. This lightweight and 6mm thick yoga mat is designed for ultimate comfort and support, making it ideal for all types of yoga. The reversible design features a textured surface on one side for added grip and traction, while the other side is smooth for a more traditional feel. Made from PVC-free materials, this yoga mat is not only good for your practice but also for the environment. In fact, it's free of the toxic chemicals often found in traditional PVC mats, making it a healthier and safer option for both you and the planet. Measuring 24 by 68 inches, this mat is the perfect size for any yogi and provides ample space for your practice. The mat is easy to clean and maintain. Simply wipe it down with a damp cloth after each use. The Gaiam Yoga Mat comes with a convenient carrying strap, making it easy to take to and from yoga class. As a bonus, with the purchase of this mat, you will receive a downloadable yoga workout that will help you to improve your practice and achieve your fitness goals. The pros are, it features a dual texture design. It is lightweight and non-toxic. The cons are, it comes with an unnecessary plastic sticker. Number 4. Gaiam Essentials Thick Yoga Mat. The Gaiam Essentials Thick Yoga Mat is the perfect addition to any fitness or exercise routine. Measuring at an extra thick 2.5 inches, this mat is made of durable MBR foam and provides ample cushioning and support for all types of activities, including yoga, Pilates, and other floor exercises. So, whether you're a seasoned yogi or just starting out, this mat will help you stay comfortable and focused during your practice. Moreover, with its extra thickness, you'll appreciate the added support for your joints and muscles, making it easier to hold poses for longer periods of time. The Gaiam mat is easy to clean and maintain, making it perfect for both home and studio use. Most of all, it comes with a carrying strap that is adjustable and provides a comfortable fit, making it easy to carry around your shoulder or backpack. The pros are, it is extra thick, it rolls up tightly, it includes a carrying strap. However, the cons are, it shows dirt. Number 3. UMINEUX Yoga Mat. The UMINEUX Yoga Mat is made with eco-friendly materials. This mat is free from PVC and unpleasant smells, making it safe for both you and the environment. In fact, the skin-friendly surface ensures that you can comfortably hold your poses for longer periods of time, while the non-slip surface provides the stability you need to stay balanced and focused during your practice. This mat features an 8mm thick cushioning that provides ample support for your joints and muscles, allowing you to focus on your poses without feeling uncomfortable. Furthermore, it comes with a free carry strap, making it easy to take with you to yoga class or on the go. The UMINEUX Yoga Mat is easy to clean and maintain. Simply clean with a damp cloth using cold water or mild detergent and then lie it flat. To ensure the longevity of your mat, it is important not to use a washing machine or dryer or expose it to the sun for extended periods of time. These simple care instructions will help you to enjoy your UMINEUX Yoga Mat for many years to come. The pros are, easy care instructions. It is skin-friendly and quick drying. The cons are, it loses density over time. Number 2. IUGA Yoga Mat. If you're looking for a yoga mat that is safe, durable, and comfortable, look no further than the IUGA Yoga Mat. This mat is made with SGS certified TPE material, which is a safe and eco-friendly alternative to PVC. The TPE material is skin-friendly, non-toxic, and has no lingering odors. The double-sided non-slip surfaces provide a stable and secure base for your practice, allowing you to focus on your poses without worrying about slipping or sliding. The IUGA Yoga Mat is perfect for daily use and for yogis of all levels. It is easy to clean and maintain and comes with a free carry strap for easy support. Unlike traditional yoga mats, this mat is free of latex, making it perfect for those with latex allergies or sensitivities. The pros are, it is cushiony and supportive. It is eco-friendly. It features supportive padding. The cons are, it can be a little difficult to clean. Number 1. Jade Harmony Yoga Mat. Experience the ultimate comfort and support during your yoga practice with the Jade Harmony Yoga Mat. Made from natural rubber, this mat offers superior cushioning compared to synthetic rubber options. The natural rubber provides a durable and grippy surface that allows you to focus on your poses without slipping or sliding. The Jade Harmony Yoga Mat is made with environmentally friendly materials and is free from PVC, EVA, or other synthetic rubber. This mat is not only good for the environment but also for your body. It's biodegradable, recyclable, and non-toxic. We love the Jade Harmony Yoga Mat because it is a high-quality, eco-friendly option that is made in the U.S. and offers superior cushioning and grip. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned pro, this mat is the perfect choice for your yoga practice. The pros are, it absorbs sweat, it is firm and supportive, it's portable. The cons are, it's a little bit expensive. Up next, things to consider before choosing the best yoga mat. Number 1. Thickness. One of the most important things to consider when choosing a yoga mat is its thickness. Thicker mats provide more cushioning for joints, which can be especially beneficial for people with sensitive knees or hips. However, if you prefer a more barefoot feel or if you will be traveling with your mat, a thinner mat may be a better choice. Number 2. Size. Make sure the mat is the right size for your body and the type of yoga you'll be practicing. Standard yoga mats are typically 68 inches long and 24 inches wide. If you are taller or prefer more space to move around, you may want to look for an extra long or extra wide mat. Number 3. Material. Different materials offer different levels of grip and durability. Some popular options include natural rubber, which is eco-friendly and offers great grip, PVC, which is durable and easy to clean, and foam mats, which are lightweight and good for travel. We hope this video is helpful to you. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video based on your needs and budget, kindly click the links in the description box below. We'll also be looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. If there is a product you'd like us to review, let us know in the comments section and our research team will be happy to make a review of it. Kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.